Talk to me a little bit about like why you chose UVA.
McIntire was like, I knew that I wanted to be there because of, it had a structured finance program and it ultimately was going to take me to the next level that I wanted to be at in terms of my professional career.
Okay.
I really wanted to go to a place that had a really robust engineering program, but also had a really great community where you'd be really interacting with a lot of different majors and everyone there would really be pushing each other.
I visited UVA on a Thursday at like 4:10 and it was sunny and there was dogs on the lawn and there was a professor playing their guitar. There's people having picnics and I was like, what is this Hallmark movie? It's amazing. So then I accepted my decision.
I'm interested in like your favorite place on grounds. Where is it?
I can give the cliche answer, but the lawn. I mean, it's awesome. Some of my greatest memories have just been like impromptu. I have like an hour between classes and I go to the lawn and people are like throwing a frisbee or throwing a football or just hanging out playing guitar on a picnic, like with a picnic basket and blanket. And that's such a wonderful experience. It's such a beautiful community.
And the third is going to be the lawn.
Hey! If you could talk to your first year self, fresh on grounds, maybe you're at midterms, your first semester, and you could go back in time, what would you say to yourself?
The first thing I would tell him is go explore the communities at UVA.
Let that guide you through the craziness of the process.
Try out as much as you can.
What do you think is the purpose of going to school, or what you gain as a result of it?
We are all invested in this project of making the world a better place. And I think that that's our due diligence as students. And I think that that's why you should go to college.
I think one of the great things about college and about UVA is sort of these three things that you get. You get community, you get drive, and you get an open space to explore your curiosity.
Education can be used as a vehicle to make change in this world.
Okay. Anything that I didn't ask you, or just something you want to share about UVA, your experience, anything?
Every time I reach out to UVA alum, I'll just put like UVA in the subject and I'll always I think my hit rate is probably like 90%.
Yeah, I think there's no wrong way to do UVN. Whatever spaces you get involved in, we'll give back to you and we'll show you that you belong here.